That's really the big topic, chance for severe storms, Michael.
Yeah, you need moisture, lift, shear, and instability for severe weather. We've got the moisture this morning. You can feel it as you are stepping outside. Still lacking the lift to get those storms to develop, but that's going to be with a cold front moving in later on today. So we are tracking the chance for showers and storms that could become strong to severe later today and into tonight. Along with that, some heavy rainfall potential as well. We do have a flood watch in effect, I-44 and southward. And behind the cold front that's going to move in, that will bring some cooler temperatures. Even by the time we finish out the afternoon this evening, it will be noticeably cooler compared to what we've got out there right now. But here's where we've got the severe weather potential, at least the highest potential for severe weather in the yellow shading here. Wind gusts 60 to 70 miles per hour, some large hail possible. Thankfully, the tornado threat is looking very low, but it's not necessarily zero. Now, within that hail zone, we are kind of watching an area here south of Tulsa and then back to the south and west where some of these storms could produce some very large hail in excess of 2 inches in diameter. Elsewhere, we'll still have some hail possibilities, but I don't think it'll be quite that large. And again, not everybody will see this, but some of the stronger storms will certainly be capable of producing some hail. So if you want to keep the car parked in the garage today, find a place underneath something to park that car, maybe not a bad idea. Tornado threat looking very low, but as the front continues to drop southward as we go through the afternoon, evening hours, it'll be along that frontal boundary. Any storms that can track along that, that's where we may see at least a possibility of a tornado spinning up, but most of the storms will probably be non-tornadic with what we see later on today and into tonight. You can see the moisture. Look at that visually streaming northward here as we look out to the east on our downtown camera. That's an awesome visual that you can see. 68 degrees right now with that south wind at 15 miles per hour. Yesterday, officially 79 for the high in Tulsa, so we did not make it to 80 officially, although we did have a lot of green country make it to 80 yesterday afternoon. Here comes our front, again, right on the doorstep here in the metro by midday. Temperatures will be cooler to the north that boundary, very warm out ahead of it. That front provides the lift to the air. Think of it like a snow plow, plowing through the snow, throwing all that snow up out ahead of it. That's kind of what's happening here as this front bumps into this warm and muggy air. It's lifting the air, and so these thunderstorms just bubble up right along this frontal boundary. And even behind that front, we'll have numerous showers and storms. So even back into the cooler air, we'll still have some heavy rain ongoing, a potential for some hailers, any sort of thunderstorms that will produce some hail. And then farther to the south, that's along that boundary where we may have at least some tornado potential, very low tornado potential along that boundary as it drops southward as we go through the evening hours. That very slow-moving cold front, but you can see how we get wave after wave of showers and thunderstorms to move through behind that front. So the rainfall totals are going to add up. Some of us 1 to 3 inches of rain here along and south of I-44. Unfortunately, those of you that really need the rainfall, where we still got the drought conditions, Pawhuska, Pawnee, Bartlesville, unfortunately, it looks like you're going to miss out on the rain again with this system. You get a little bit, but the heaviest of the rain probably going to stay off to your south and to your east, unfortunately. Again, watch for those temperatures to drop as we go into the afternoon. Showers and thunderstorms developing with falling temperatures. Just stay weather aware today. We'll continue to keep you advised as we go through the afternoon and evening hours as well. Much cooler tomorrow, still some showers lingering, and we keep it overall fairly cool through the weekend, too.